Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Dorval, local, and long-distance movers near me. You can hire a cheap Dorval moving company when you want to save time on your local or long-distance move. 3 movers is not only an affordable option, but also very trustworthy. When it's time to move, you get the best team with our help. Our team has helped plenty of people move, and we handle all types of moves, including residential, commercial, and international moves. The best options for your local or long-distance move will make things easier, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. You can make relocation much easier by hiring the right long-distance movers from us. We can help make your move 100 miles away or further with ease. Our team offers plenty of options to make moving easier. Are you ready to hire a Canada moving company for your local move? Do you want to avoid all the work that comes with any move? With the right local movers, you can easily make your move happen faster and easier. 3 Movers offers the best options for your local move. Our team of professional movers will save you a ton of time and energy on your move. When you choose us, a 3-day move is done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dorval moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.